Green Alternative Systems designs, engineers, and installs alternative fuel systems. Our customers save money based on the difference in price between gasoline and natural gas or propane. And the higher gasoline prices are, the more money they're saving. Our vehicles can meet just about any need depending on the configuration of the base vehicle and the configuration of the fuel system. We've seen uses for airport shuttles, hotel shuttles, parcel delivery, linen service. A lot of customers are concerned with the environmental impact of their operations, and many of them have corporate sustainability plans that encourage or require them to use alternative fuels. Major customers, they're really looking for a quality product at a low price.
When the company first started, we weren't using any pre-bent stainless steel components. What we were doing was we were hand bending each individual component, which was taking a massive amount of time.
Before we really got involved with the Swagelok Custom Solutions, we were really just taking parts and using our own labor to create these assemblies.
So we took their design, made them in advance. That allowed them to take what was 16 hours worth of time to upfit one of their vehicles and cut it down to 4 hours, which translated into $224,000 labor savings in the first year that we did it. And it's only grown from there as their production has grown, and we've taken on more and more assemblies. So you've got tube fittings, ball valve, check valve, and some custom bent tubing to route that around the vehicle. So Green Alternative Systems will determine what the layout that they need, and then our team will take that, do measurements and takeoffs, create a drawing, make a sample product, send it up here. They'll do a test fit up onto a vehicle, and then after that is approved and it works, they'll sign off on a drawing, and then we're ready for production. And then we work with them to follow their production schedule, determine how many they need, and then we supply them just as they're ready to start their process on the vehicles.
They've provided the service to build the assemblies and a way to scale that up without adding labor time or personnel to our facility, while also increasing our repeatability and quality of the overall system. Swagelok is definitely a partner to us. Many of our other suppliers will send us a part and we install it on the vehicle, and that's the end of the relationship. With Swagelok, we have gone through the whole design and engineering process. We've developed quality processes within Swagelok and internally at GAS. Cost of a system failure is catastrophic. Not only is there the financial impact, but you lose customer trust, you lose a lot of credibility within the industry. The safety and quality aspect is of utmost importance.
When we first started, we were going back and forth between Swagelok and a couple of competitors, and Swagelok just had the product that everybody was compared to. Every manufacturer that came to us, they always said they were compatible with Swagelok. And I think our management team started realizing that and said, why are we not using Swagelok exclusively? And it sort of evolved from there.